perfectly roasted, and it's so easy to make. Hi guys, thanks for being here. Brussels sprout is a superfood. It is so high in nutrients and with so many health benefits. If you love them, you got to try this recipe. Let's take a look. First and most important, when shopping for Brussels sprout, we want fresher sprouts. We want to look for green sprout that have no yellow, no wilted leaf, and give it a squeeze. If it feels firm and solid inside, that's what we want to take home. If you want restaurant quality, get the bigger sprouts. However, there's a drawback. Bigger sprout often slightly tougher and bitter compared to the smaller sprouts. Trim just a little bit of the end so the leaves don't fall out when splitting in half. Now I have lemon in this recipe. It's not a big deal if you want to skip it. If using fresh lemon instead of bottled, be sure to use the zest for extra flavor. For a beautiful caramelization, turn the cut side face down and use a metal baking pan for better heat conduction. Last note, how long to roast depends on the size of the Brussels sprouts and the oven. But ultimately, we want to look for the cut side of the sprout to be browned. That adds flavors and make it look beautiful that we want to look for. Lastly, if you can help me and my tiny YouTube channel, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.